to start redoing the rest of our hair. I mean, my hair, whatever. I think I'm gonna go ahead and oh no, I didn't do this one. So I'm gonna do this one. And if y'all want me to do my box braids video, give this video a thumbs up. Because this was my first time doing box braids, so, and it really didn't come out that bad. And so next time I do some box braids, I'm probably gonna do some on some other people. So if y'all want my box braids tutorial, like how I do box braids, y'all know I don't really do tutorials like that. It's just a how I do it version. And if you like how I do it, or you like the way I do my hair or something, then you can follow the way I do it. But I'll just show y'all how I do it. So right now I'm taking these loose. What was I gonna talk about? I was gonna say oh yeah, I didn't upload my morning routine like I said I was in my vlog because like I didn't like the quality of the video. Like there was really no point of it. But me and my friend, we gonna late one day and we're gonna do a morning routine, night routine, something like that. And it's gonna be lit. I've been thinking about it. I'm gonna call today. But yeah. Oh yeah, and list some if y'all want me to try any other hairstyles like any other hairstyles y'all want me to try, or like make a video on my first time doing Havana twist or something like that. Like I don't mind doing videos like that. Like y'all know I like doing hair. Like you can look through my videos and tell that I like doing hair stuff. So like any suggestions? Y'all want me to try some products y'all want to review or something? Just comment below. But I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up because this is taking longer than I thought. How I refresh my hair. So what I did basically as a run through, I applied Jam Extra Hold and the Crystal Eco Gel. After I used that, I used a brush and this brush to smooth down the parts. I used the rubber band method. I used 2 rubber bands on each braid. I used some oil sheen on my hair, and I also put a little bit of jam on this part of my hair to hold it down. So one thing I do like about the jam that I used is that it like when you unbraid your hair, it makes your hair feel so soft. Like it feels very, very, very soft, and it's not tangled, it's not nappy. It's like it said, it's a conditioning shine gel. That's what I like about it. But it is an eco gel. It comes in a black container that I think my hairstylist uses, I think. But I have to find out and see. But yeah, like I said, apply the jam to your hair. Now go in with Eco Gel. Not a lot, because this Eco Gel can flake some if you use too much. So alright, y'all, I just finished redoing the braids. I did all the ones in the front, on the front row. This one, and wait, this one. Well, I don't think no, I didn't redo this one because this one don't look that bad. So I redid this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I'm gonna let y'all look at how much better it looked. So, and I redid some like throughout. And so now I'm finna go dip my hair. And so basically this is how I refresh my hair. So what I do after you're done with the braids, like add some, like put some grease on your scalp or some oil sheen or whatever. Like any kind of oil moisturizing, whatever you want to use on your scalp, so that your scalp won't get dry. And like every 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 days, like add some spray some oil sheen on your hair to keep it fresh and shiny. And yeah, that's basically it. But box braids video is definitely on the list. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Vlog coming soon. Just gonna give you a heads up on that, so turn on notifications. It's gonna be a lit vlog. No cap. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching.